Hey, we're gonna go camping for the whole weekend.
Yeah.
Last time I did a video like this, we didn't stay the whole time because of the baby. But luckily, this baby's potty trained.
Yeah. I can do it in the woods.
Amen, brother. Let's ride!
What's up, y'all?
Hello. We're pulling in the diesel spot. Show them the pack, Bryce.
So, I earlier had a Coca-Cola that was Oreo flavored. Now I found an Oreo that's Coca-Cola flavored.
Unbelievable. We're about to try them.
Cheers. Ding.
There's not a lot of Coke to that.
Tastes like lime Oreos. Really tastes more like Fruity Pebble Oreo almost.
Yeah. There's a little Coke on the back end, but not a whole lot. Go try them. They're good. This video has not been sponsored at all. I've never made any money off anything I've ever done. All right, good night. It's raining, Bryce.
It is. It's pouring.
Missing in a
saxophone,
so
man.
way to you. Stop for you. Alright, we're about to have to switch over to our off-road GPS.
Okay.
We went to, this was a while ago, this was before the lake thing. We went to 2nd and Charles, and he was looking at like coffee mugs and stuff, like there's the wolf one, the dragon ones and stuff.
Right. I am so bloody excited.
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Whoa, that was creepy.
I can't find the horse creepy. I'm always jamming for some horse.
I will admit those two lights up there as soon as I said, are you creeped out yet? It kind of...
The first one?
Okay. What? What? No! What?
Is that Dookie?
Oh! Dookie in the camouflage! There are places to eat.
Yeah. Presumably. We may have to circle back here if we can't find something else. I'd rather be a little bit more off the beaten trail.
I don't know what will be available.
Whoa! I was wondering.
Hey, test out them pulpus.
Yeah.
God, you guys got poop on here?
No? You smell poop?
It's caution, it looks like a mist.
There's probably a pipe under there.
Looks like we just found home sweet home for the weekend. Bryce is looking for his home sweet home. Also, we're grateful that every fire has fat wads of people's Duke in it.
Is it a Duke wad?
No, I think it's paper towel wad.
Okay, good.
A couple of cigarette butts though, which I'm excited to eat.
That'd be fun.
Ooh, boy. Anyway, it was a long ride, but the old girl got us there. And by old girl, I mean really almost brand new. I do love this truck a great deal. We're gonna set up camp now. And it's gonna be a freaking blast. We're having so much fun. We love everything that is happening. You'll see the camp during the day, I guess. Night night. Hello. It's me. I'm in my tent. About to go to sleep. Hoping the temperature cools off a little bit. It's not too hot, but it's not too cool neither. Get all my stuff in here. Pretty nice. I'm gonna sleep. Bryce is over there. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in the morning. Night. We're on the Chattahoochee River Road. Welcome to our campsite. It's a beautiful spot. Brother Bryce is in the tent, tarp tent, with the hammock. I brought the rooftopper. We're about to start cooking. It's a beautiful place.
In the link format. Oh,
We're going for a walk down the road.
oh yeah. Good thing we didn't turn into there.
Yeah, there's no camping there. We almost got stuck out in this grass last night.
Not that we would ever see that sign.
Right. That sign was put up 30 years ago. But we're gonna go see what there is to find. We didn't really want to pack up camp completely. So we're just gonna see if there's anything interesting down this road. Static shot. We didn't find anything interesting down the road because we figure if it's super interesting, we'll find it whenever we drive out tomorrow. But there is this giant mountain / hill behind our campsite, behind which I can see light. So we're wondering if the view is worth it.
Race you to the top.
We ascend. That was dead, huh? Pro tip. Always check if the log you're stepping on is dead. Well, I've gone about as far as I want to go. There's a drop over there, but the farther I get off the road, the more I feel like I'm in someone else's house. So let's head back and tell Bryce I fell down. Made the call to move camp spots from last night. Welcome to Open Book Outdoors. We've been camping on the Chattahoochee River Trail in North Georgia. We got in at like 10:30 last night. Couldn't find a good spot. Finally found one in the dark. We were kind of playing with the idea of whether we were going to move spots. You know, we were down in a valley. It was dark. We were like, well, I don't know if there's anything cool to see farther on. Is it worth packing up to move spots tonight? And I kid you not, a quarter mile down the road, and this is where we could have been camping. From the mind of Bryce. A fire great and mighty. A pizza. 1990. And then this piece of crap that I had made. Bryce's campfire pizza. That's real. That boy. I said boy. That was real good. Golly. One thing about camping, man, make it what you want to make it. If you don't want to eat hot dogs, you don't have to. You can bring a whole dang pizza oven if you want. That's real good. Really having an enjoyable camping trip. Time for a nap here at 4 p.m. on a Saturday. Found a decent spot. Decent spot. Here, check it out. Hello. As you have no doubt already seen some footage, we're camping. We're in the woods. And this channel is Open Book Outdoors. Right now I'm not using my phone like I normally do. I'm using my GoPro, which I have a little thing on it with a light and a microphone. That's actually why I don't have the lapel mic on, because I want to see what this microphone is like. But I wanted to hop on here and tell you about the read that we're doing on this trip, or that I'm doing on this trip. We're kicking off number 2 of the Border trilogy. This is The Crossing by Cormac McCarthy. I was under the impression it would be a continuation of All the Pretty Horses. It is not, at least not yet. It's a story of a young man named Billy. He's got a younger brother named Boyd, and so far he is tracking a wolf. And I know that eventually he will probably cross the border, whether it be into Texas or Mexico. But it is all that sweet Cormac McCarthy goodness that I've come to expect. The man can talk about pulling on your shoes and make it seem as if the whole world turns on whether the shoe goes on quickly or slowly. Like, he just has a dark magical power over the English language that I love to read. I imagine this will hurt me. I imagine it will, you know, sand the upper layer of my epidermis off and then rub salt in my wounds and make me sad. But I'm always appreciative of Mr. McCarthy's book. I think he is my favorite author, and so that's what we're reading this time. We're about to make some chicken, some broccoli, have some camp food. It's been a good time so far. Probably going to do some exploring tomorrow morning, and then we're going to head home. But anyway, it's been great, and I'm excited to get some more pages under my belt of the crossing this evening. Morning 2. Sunrise, bit of a bust because of the clouds, and I won't blame it on the wind, but maybe the wind brought the clouds. It was a very windy night, but good night of sleep. Lots of crazy, stressful dreams, but that's just how your boy dreams. But we're gonna pack up and go see where these trails lead, and then head on home. Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. Let's do